So this was like more of an impulse kind of purchase. We didn't think of getting it nor him, so I just told like I would want to have some kind of designer bag, so he gave this as a surprise to me. Hello beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing what's in my bag. This beauty right here, it is a Louis Vuitton Alma Bb bag, and this is the monochrome version. So I have had this bag for over 5 years now. So this is doing good. So this is how it looks. So this has the zippers, which is like more sturdy kind of zippers, and here is the lock. This is how it looks, and there are like keys in this strap. Let me show that real quick. So these are the keys. So these are the keys for the strap, and here is the lock, and here are the zippers, and they are also like this kind of studs for this bag to stand, and there is this big kind of strap to wear it like crossbody bag, and also these ones just to hold like this. So this looks kind of cute as well, like just wearing it like this, or you need something like crossbody, then you could use along with the strap. This was actually a gift for me by my husband back then. He was my boyfriend. So this was like more of an impulse kind of purchase. We didn't think of getting it nor him, so I just told like I would want to have some kind of designer bag, so he gave this as a surprise to me, I think for Feb 14th. So this was the most like impulse buy, and I love it like till date. So been 5 years with this bag and I still love it, and it's going good. It's looking like a brand new bag. Details about this bag. Price on this beauty is $14.30, and this is Alma Bb Monochrome Bag. And about this, the length, height and width is 9.8 by 7.5 by 4.7 inches, and this also have the natural cowhide leather trimming and a key bell, hand and cross body carry, and it has the double zip with padlock closure, one interior patch pocket and protective bottom studs, and it also has strap which is removable and which is not adjustable. Strap drops to 22 inches and the handle is double. Okay, let's see what's in my bag. So the zippers as usually come till here, but it don't open, so things won't come out or fall. It never happened to me. So this is kind of like sturdy, so it's hard for things to fall from side. So nothing comes out. Okay, let's see what we got. The first one right here. So this beauty right here, these are my shades. These are the ones that I'm using at the moment. So these are the shades. So this is how it looks. So this is how it looks. that is the first one that I have in my bag. Next one I see here is my wallet. So this is my like a card case kind of holder. So this has my husband's name engraved on it. So this was also a gift to me, and this was given my husband. So I have had this for, I can't even remember, almost like 7 years or so. I don't have any intentions to change this anytime sooner. It's because that sentimental value that I have for this card holder. So if at all I'm going out and if I don't need any bag or anything, I just take this. So it's like a metal, kind of stainless steel in here and kind of leather in here. So I don't want to show my cards, but you see that. So this is like wear and tear from all these years of use. I use it almost every day. I think I got this in Miami or somewhere like that, and this didn't even cost much, maybe like $15 or something like that, not more than that. Okay, and next let's see what I have. So this is Bare Minerals Bare Pro, and I have that in the Sandstone 16, and this is Performance Wear Powder Foundation. So I use it usually when I'm in rush, and if I'm outside and I still want to have that not so tired kind of look, so I usually grab this one, usually on my under eyes or my forehead, where it tends to get like little greasier. So that is where I usually apply this beauty. Next, what do I have? Let me grab these. So these are my car keys. We actually recently brought this car. This is like one of the big buys for us this year. So that's my car keys. And next, let me see. And next I have this one. This is the hand sanitizer. As you guys can tell, year 2020 is the year of sanitizers and face masks. So I got to have this in my bag. Let's see what we got next. Okay, so here there is a pocket. So in that I have this mask. This is like use and throw mask. As you guys know, 2020 is the year of mask. Got to have this. So this is not like the one that I use it every day. This is more like a backup kind of face mask. And let me see what I have next. Okay, so this is my lip balm. I use the lip balm all the time. So this is the lip balm that I have in here. This is Pacifica Persian Cherry Lip Balm. It's 100% vegan and cruelty free, which is awesome. So this lip balm, the good thing is that like once I apply it, this is how it looks inside. So once I apply it, it stays really long. It don't give me that waxy kind of feeling, and this is a really good lip balm if you're looking for something that's like very moisturizing and also that stays long but don't give you that waxy kind of feeling. So I love this beauty. Next, let's see. So this is like teeny tiny version of the lipstick. So this is Girl Power. I like the name, like Girl Power. It's Real Her Girl Power, and this is in the shade Deep Mauve. It gives me like that natural no makeup kind of look. So usually I apply that lip balm and then this lipstick. That's it. Next, what else I have? Okay, here to the side pockets I have the hair tie. I always run out of the hair ties, so in almost every of my bag I have at least a couple of hair ties. So that is that. And what else? And a couple of $5 bills, and that's pretty much it. There is nothing in here left. So this is how it looks inside. and this is the pocket I'm talking about. So that's pretty much it. That's all I got in my bag. Hope you had fun, and let me know in the comments below like what are your favorite products and what is your go-to products that you would carry every day. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.